morning, guys. So we did come to Asamari. He was at his grandmother's house. He has school today, but it's like fun day, so he's not wearing his uniform. So we did bring down clothes for him. Samari, you gonna say hi to the vlog? You wanna say good morning? Hi. They haven't seen you.
Hi guys.
Where you going?
I'm going to school right now.
You wanna show them your outfit or your look?
Look how I look.
Tell them how much money you get if you go buy stuff.
Look how much money I got.
Yo.
What's that? How much is that?
$1,000.
And what are you gonna buy?
I'm gonna buy snow cones
Snow cone and what?
and popcorn.
Have fun. And don't ram. Don't get your clothes dirty here. And don't lose your money.
Gotcha.
You're gonna tell them, say bye, see you later.
Bye, see you later.
Good morning, guys. Gonna look good, don't I'm rocking the purple.
And me look better than she. Rocking the black.
I'm rocking the purple, you know, purple eye shadow. I had to rush my eye makeup. I didn't get a chance to like do like a cut crease and really perfect it. We want to add some silver and purple, but he was rushing me. So
yeah, can't see now. I do not much. I do something simple. I ain't there one man.
You have to talk a little bit louder. I don't have a microphone, so you have to pronunciate your words and project them in here. Talk loud like I'm talking. Why miserable is it? Anyway, so I'm here, guys. I need B to like video me because I feel like I look simple but like so cute. I'm rocking the feet. Yes. Guys, you know I regret. I have a large orange one, but I thought it was like, oh, too big. So I've been doing my next one for travel down with. And then I got the medium, but guys, this medium is giving very small. So now I can't even travel with this in the airport. You know me, I always like carry my bag on pong. So I just have to carry it. Oh, but I like it though. It's real pretty. Do you like my bag? Yeah. I be picky. No. I was debating between this and cobalt, and he was like, get the cobalt, man. I said, no, I'm gonna get the silver. So right now we are the power where I got listed. Alright, we'll stop and eat some food. We get curry goat with a piece of fried chicken and beef it straight. Oh, if you taste me.
Nice.
I'm gonna have a tea. So guys, we're in Bridgets now. I didn't expect I saw a store look, but oh, but you know, like this Jamaican color one. And B? B. Hey guys, so we didn't reach our town. My cousin did come with us, but we did drop her off at her daughter high school.
Go slippers.
So I'm gonna go back in that Bridgets to change back the slippers because
You not hear me?
I didn't like how it fit me. It was like a thong slippers.
Yeah,
I like we know tackle squeeze but takes my toes. My shoes, my foot broad. Or whatever. So I'm gonna take one different one. And guys, it's a nice store, right?
You don't like it.
This girl come up to me. Miss, me can't get, I said, huh?
So
she was like, you don't work here. I was like, do it look like I work here? I don't know, B said me fierce, but like, no, you can't look for me after you working at Bridgets. Cause first, and I just man, there's nobody working at Bridgets, but you then dress more professional, I guess, should I say? If me work at Bridgets, me not come in a this? No, in a just like, no. She give me a look, but I don't care, so. Yeah. So we're on our way now to go pick up back my cousin.
Oh man, they want some old something.
So yeah.
Man want some of my food and something else selling.
My head feel bad.
Then granny, anything they want to buy me to sell it, man. Dear granny.
So be there, talk to my granny on the phone. B, guys. Oh God, it gone. Well, no.
Gone and not come back.
No, don't do it. Wait. Okay, here it is. Guys, you know this little.
Embarrassment. Yeah, man, embarrassment. Yeah, do it and show them. Blood clot.
Guys, you know this stuff where it's like, I'm gonna something there. B said his answer is 60, but the answer is actually 15. B, how you get 60? It's a burger 5, it fries him at 1 and it drinks at 10. So in do 5 plus 1 is 6 and 6 times 10 is 60, right guys? But if you do order of operations, you have to multiply first. So 1 times 10 is 10 and then 10 plus 5 is 15. Me wrong or me right?
No.
15, 15, let me see.
Guys, it's 15. No, but look, if you look at here.
You have to start from the right end. No must from the left end start.
You do multiplication and division first from left to right, not addition and subtraction. You don't know order of operations?
No subtraction there is there.
Do you know order of operations?
No subtraction.
Exactly. Alright. 15 is the right answer. We can't bet my life funny.
You feel like I'm going to call it.
That's crazy. Eating my food. Just coming from party. Eat this.
Where the party going?
Guys, so I haven't talked to you guys in a minute, but my hair about to get done by my lovely cousin Felisa. Hi. You guys haven't seen her in a minute. She have a funky baby. A baby due today.
And she don't want to come.
And she's not coming out. Hopefully by tomorrow or so.
Hopefully by me done her ear. We start feeling pain.
And then we just rush down our Spain.
Yeah, that's right.
So she's just gonna give me a couple cane or go back to kit me. Alright guys, good afternoon. It's a new day. B just stay here talk and say come let me not live nowhere because I be here carry me talk to Ina. That you say B?
Yeah, good afternoon guys.
Hi guys.
Yeah.
Hi guys. I'm the main character right now.
Yeah, your father's actually trying to talk to them for once so we can talk to them. What were you saying?
Talk once, B.
You were saying something.
Who worse we can't talk about?
So tell them why you're worse.
No, you wouldn't lock off the AC last night.
Guys, we come in last night and it wasn't even that hot. You have only fan and the AC. I said, no, mom, I'm cool. But just lock off the AC. Something there. And there's Jordan and I back.
Hi guys. My name is Jordan Graham. And as you can see, the last video, which one did you come again?
Yeah, it's Granny a call back.
As you can see, on the last
Alright, wait.
videos, you saw me and Samari, this driver boy. So, as you can see guys, we're out.
Jesus Christ.
We're out here.
Yeah, we are gonna make some movements. You know, guys, we have some stuff to sell. I don't know if you guys saw it. I'm pretty sure like I videoed my barrels, them unpacking. So we have some stuff in the car. I have some orders to drop off. And then we got Linstead, me I go buy. What we doing? We need paint. No, I don't want to damn Secura. Guys, the pepper and I Secura food have me belly and weird.
And
me I stay away from it for a while, I believe. With me, what they cook.
Guys, in the next vlog, we're going to vlog again.
So
But
me
we
and
are
me a call
at Linstead and we're going to eat KFC, party and pizza.
Oh, so
Hi guys.
You have money?
So hi guys. Could you type in the comments which
Every time me a call,
side you were voting for World Cup?
Oh.
Put it down in the comments below.
Oh, them two boy are big Argentina fans, so they're glad they didn't win yesterday. At first, I watched football yesterday, and like I was like so into it, like it was like really intense. I didn't enjoy it. I still don't understand like how the game works. So many times then, like when they get flag on, penalty on, whatsoever. I got my hair braided last night. My good up cousin Felisa braided, and she had 9 months pregnant, baby not drop out yet, and she still a braid and the stuff. So yeah, last couple of days I didn't really go anywhere and do anything. But they got one party. And I didn't come in until 9 o'clock in the morning because Peter that feel like unpack your phone and put it up and all that type of stuff. Yeah, that's chill. Tomorrow, I want to go Linstead and dash up and sit in them and sell because they said Tuesday is a good day if you like it selling. So I just want to get rid of those so I don't have to think about that and then we can start to enjoy myself. I don't know when we are going to look at water. Cause me want to get rid of all of my selling stuff then first before I think about sporting, you know?
Like
Yeah, more angle up the business.
Are you sure? You sure are they in
stuff
there?
first.
And then
Business first, sporting later, you know. So yeah, we're on our way. May I go stop on my people then first, and then we got Linstead. So yeah. So we stop and get little KFC. We get wings as usual, and we get crispers. For me call my first, I get the KFC because I've been so hooked on Shakira, and I forgot all about KFC. So
Hi guys.
now I eat this and give Shakira a rest. So I eat this, get the pay, and then go check for my people them.
We are eating KFC
So, yeah.
right now.
Alright guys, so we're now in a store named no, not Azan either. We're in a Chinese store. Man, look something for match this color. Who?
Hi guys.
AJ. Oh, hi.
Hi guys. Right now we are here in a Chinese store. As you can see, she's trying to find something. What's this?
Yeah. Sorry.
We found it.
B, know your store down here? So the place like full of stuff. We got baby clothes and stuff. Yeah. I will leave a little sitting and stuff. I don't want too much black. Do you want something to put on the wall? Look at these stuff.
Like a little blue, a little
Do
blue.
you want to fix it up for your Christmas? Oh, hi. No. This look like it must be that. Well, to your stuff, I see.
No, this looks good.
So these are all the curtains and all. Or if we can't get like a silver piece. I don't know if she watched silver in it. I don't want to assume. That's gray.
So guys, right now, this is, the miserable man.
Huh?
The miserable man that doesn't like to talk in videos. Say hello.
Say hello.
Hey boy, don't talk to me father like that.
B, try 4 toes and something if you want. B, look, you don't see nothing that matches it? Yeah.
Hey guys, look at this in the Chinese store. Yeah.
What? Look at those.
Oh, this. Look guys. I charge, daddy. So, guys, you know the thing already, guys.
It should be looking back though. Are you thinking it that way?
So guys, I'm going to look and see if I can find more interesting stuff for you guys to see. Look at this, guys. Yeah. Look here, just go look here. Look guys. Look here, Jordan. Fight. Gave us a gold one. Oh!
I'm coming to one next door, Azan. I'm gonna look.
Whoa.
This one kind of matches, but it's showing a lot of orange on
Daddy,
here.
this kind of light.
Again, this is it. I think that I best looking one.
Let me see curtain.
See curtain in there, B?
No man, the one.
I don't think I sent it to you. B, it's just black and silver. You can't get that mixed up. Oh guys, this is pretty. I like this, the pink with the silver. Pretty.
I love this.
And this
nice
too, just
lighting blue, Daddy.
Thick.
Daddy.
B, I look for decoration or no?
Huh?
Y'all look for decorations or no? I thought you said you want something to go on the wall. Tell everybody how was your day. MB?
Huh?
Tell everyone how was your day.
Good so far.
You know you want to talk about? But you do want to show a curtain for your bathroom? Window or no? Wait, the silver instead.
The silver better.
Actually, you don't want to change the curtain them down. I thought you would say.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, the silver better.
So you would have a silver and black to keep up all year round, huh?
Yeah.
A dirty, you're dirty.
We work with anything.
We work with anything? You buy curtain run too or no?
No, man.
Be taxi people though.
I want this. You think you have other silver one, B? You miss?
You hold it up.
You know what I look the sun? You know what I look the sun? Two of them are better. Maybe you won't get a trouble. Yeah, if we can find any other. If we can find another silver one, we can. No, not 2 people, but if there's another one.
Miss Carol, your husband had a silver?
No, more shade of silver. Or more style. Huh? I wonder if that makes sense. Look funny.
Yeah.
It's like a white, not like a silver.
No, it would be something more. Alright. You're not even holding it. Talk to them.
You always are forced me to talk to people. I'm not talk about things I'm going to say. I lie, you want me to tell?
Gee, stand up. I'm like, come, we're ready to go.
Ready?
Yeah. Tell them.
No, hold on. I want something to go on.
Talk louder.
Yo, stop this shit.
Guys, me I try with him, but it not work. Alright, you enjoy ice cream? We go buy ice cream. I look for somewhere and mess up with ain't clothes.
Because I'm a beast.
It tastes good.
Yeah.
B, look here. Look how my man look good, fresh trim. B, make it girl let me see you. You look good though.
Need none of that.
I don't want air freshener on this Unstoppable 1155. I'm sorry, my name care some of them here down. They don't even have the downy one.
I'm alright.
B, which one you getting? Look at some of these prices, guys. Fabuloso. The 580. May I sell some for $400.
Big.
Hey, B, then do some. May I sell stuff? Oh, let me look on the Sauvatil then. Oh, Sauvatil like $285. Alright, good morning guys. So so we're open the market. Last year my granny did sell in a illicit market. It's full up. So when I get no space, so we drive come down here so nobody not true come through yesterday in a market. So we just go wall right here and hopefully we get some sell. So usually in a late morning, so like kind of ram and people are walk up and down. So hopefully they will stop. Good thing is we open the road. So yeah. What? So what?
Boss ain't talk to you. Say talk to you already.
Talk to who?
You.
But what?
I'm not sure.
So I ain't cousin we use gun drive. I mean car down.
Yes, somebody there now. Yes, somebody there. Yo, yes, somebody there. Yeah. Come here, call for.
And we come carry car down yesterday, park over Juicy B. That's good though. You quick on your feet, B. You quick on your feet.
What?
Me don't think you don't know so if you drive a car come down here, sir. Alright. Alright guys, so we're set up. Here's my stuff to my clocks and stuff. His cousin had some clothes she wanted us to throw out for her. So yeah. Oh wait, this isn't everything. We have more stuff, but we just took out like a variety, and then the rest of them and I borrowed them. CB here. So I have my chair here. I was not playing, guys. I mean business. So hopefully it road stop full up and people just stop and buy. We just want to do everything today, but you know, yeah. What? Why you say that?
B, leave my God.
Yeah, tell them good morning. B, talk.
What?
You not say morning.
Yeah, good morning, guys. B, you know what I'm asking you?
Guys, I set my alarm for 4:45 this morning. I'm gonna say, B, come back, we get up. He said, no. Drop back asleep, wake up 5:30. If we did ever wake up 4:45 and reach out here by 5:30, would I get a spot in a market with like enough crowd and other people do that? So, we just have hope for you best. So yeah. My cousin come with me. I said, come sit down for a little bit and help. But nothing too.
Hello, Daddy. Come tell us come now.
We're there. B, go take up some cup and walk up and down. Huh? Take up some cup and walk up and down.
I got 2 bills.
Yeah.
200.
Yeah.
How much for these?
15. But we're not holding a price.
So if I have 150, you give me?
No.
Yeah, give me the part. No,
Rain comes down. So we have to pack up. Everybody gone.
Look at that. I don't know my work.
The man won't come out, but the furniture truck blacking me and my cuss. Hello guys, it rains still a Drew and we call one part to care up about them for we. So that's why we waiting. I'm in the car. We just it don't make no sense because as you think say rain don't know more still a fall. And like it ground dirty and wet up, I don't want my goods to feel like not safe on the clocks and stuff. So just do another day or just cut my losses and enjoy the rest of my trip and say F the selling. And I always think about I can't manage. I mean I always like to be extra and do stuff like if my name buy a balance you have to come somewhere that have a nice piece of money I say don't go on. But that's how you go, you live and you learn. We just like the one big excitement. I thought like me selling was gonna be like good footage for you guys and good content, but I don't know what we're gonna do with the rest of that stuff then. If I get all I clocks and sell, then we're that glad. It look fabulous, so I be telling them sitting there, me not too worry about buy clocks and my main thing. So yeah, we're here waiting on the guy and then we're just gonna go up. So yeah. I don't know if you guys can see, but the guy if it the brother didn't come in there right there, so I'm gonna try reverse back there so behind them can put in it. Yo, I feel like Jamaican people are best at that driver on this planet. I just feel so. Comment down below if you feel the same way. Like they can't drive. For real. This rain is not stopping. And B, yo, B, I cuss me and talk about, oh, B, you ready for go on with the sell? Make what time out here in the rain, like guys, like look at this. This is no. As it stop, more just come. Nobody have time for walk up and down and look sitting in the market or whatever. No, so after I'm not that like money hungry. If you say rain, me I got turn out here and try to get one extra $1,000 or whatever. No, me got in my yard, I relax and cook up my foot from my man. So yeah. Clean chicken. What?
You want to work for?
Me?
No, sir. So I'm going to tell her the part down and tell her the part. Me no hear the part. Me and me work. You assist us.
dog no come out here yard. Oh B, you remember the dog earlier today? What dog do?
I'm losing the money.
What dog do?
You know, so today not gonna be one good day.
Some more, tell the people that what dog do.
As we reach challenge place with Dragon,
Cock
we
Luna.
right in front of it for we are sell country. Yeah. I have to wonder. I never see that country in front of people.
You didn't get the chance to do it. Guys, so we're coming in and like the rain was falling, so the clothes were taken off of the line for us. So now I'm gonna just go fold them up and put them away. Alright guys, so as you guys know, the clothes that was taken off of the line, I was folding them up. Majority of the clothes were these clothes, right? And like they was wrong side out. So I flipped them right side out, well right side in. I put them on the right side and then I folded them up. He's gonna come back in here and take all of the clothes that I folded up and took my time and did and put them back on the wrong side to fold them up because he said he folded his clothes on the wrong side. He could have just let them stay, like all that work for nothing. And I knew if I left the clothes and right there on the bed and let him come and do it, it would have customer and say, oh, I'm lazy and this and that. What do you have to say? Huh?
Not me, I put on my clothes on the wrong side.
Why is that?
Because I'm not on the side.
But B, you see, I spent time to fold up the clothes and then you just gonna mess them up. And they make no sense to do in the first place.
Come.
So B, if you did come in and I see the clothes and left this, so you'd say me lazy and sitting there down.
Maybe.
I can't stand him sometimes.